Hello everyone, welcome back to 4Allfamily's YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at how to use the 4Allfamily Nomad Portable Coolers. Let's get started. The 4Allfamily Nomad Portable Coolers work on a biogel pack cooling mechanism. This model comes in two sizes, the big Nomad Portable Cooler and the medium Nomad Cooler. The Nomad is very easy to use and can keep medications cool for a very long time. To use these coolers, you need to shake the biogel pack before inserting it into the freezer. This way, the biogel is spread equally and is not concentrated in one area. Then, insert the biogel pack in the freezing compartment of your fridge. Make sure to leave it in there for a minimum of 6 hours. However, leaving it in the freezer for more than 6 hours will not damage the biogel pack. When it's time to use the cooler, take the biogel out of the freezer and insert it in a bowl of lukewarm tap water for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, pat the biogel dry and place it in a stainless steel container with your medications. These are the proper steps you should take each time you want to use this cooler. This product is able to keep medications cold for around 26 to 32 hours at fridge temperature, which is considered 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can also keep medications below 79 degrees Fahrenheit for around 46 to 52 hours in total. Disclaimer: the performance of this cooling method is greatly dependent on the outside temperature and other factors which will determine the actual performance, which may be somewhat lower or even greater. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment on this video or contact our customer service support number provided below the description of this video. Thank you for watching.